Hello and welcome to Unique Coding Heroes. My name is Vikas Kumar. I'm a AZ-204 certified, a certified Azure Developer Associate. We are going to build a kind of complete series tutorial for AZ-204. So here we will be discussing end to end by developing solution for Microsoft. We will have a kind of like a bunch of series in a one tutorial. So AZ-204 certification basically offered by Microsoft that validates the skills and knowledge required to develop solution on Microsoft Azure cloud platform, and it is designed for developer who have experience in designing, building, testing, maintaining cloud applications and services. So AZ-204 basically focus on various aspects of Azure development, including the compute, storage, security, and integration. So it covers such topics such as Azure's development, such as Azure PowerShell, such as CLI, such as DevOps, and all. So let's understand to crack Microsoft Azure Developer Associate exam, what you have to develop and like how what hands-on experience with Azure services you required. While I can't provide a full course, I can give you evergroup topics were covered in the exam. So in the coming tutorials, we will go on one by one, step by step, discussing the solution for Microsoft AZ-204 and the suggested resource I will be providing, and the materials which you are going to which you can refer to crack the interview as well. So when you sit for the exam, before that you must you should be aware that how much percentage of questions are going to come based on the percentage of topics. So let's cover it today. 25 to 30% questions comes under develop Azure compute solution. There is the percentage which includes the implements IaaS solution, Azure Virtual Machines, understanding the VM deployment, sizing, availability set, create Azure App Services, learn about the deployment application, configuring, setup, and scaling, implement Azure Functions, serverless functions using trigger and binding. So implement Azure Container, ACI, and Kubernetes and all. So these are the topics which is 25 to 30% questions comes under this topic, and yeah, moving ahead, we are going to there are 10 to 15% questions comes under develop Azure storage solution. And what does basically develop storage solution contains? It contains the Cosmos DB, understand the NoSQL database concept, develop application with Cosmos DB, develop solution that uses blob storage, learn about blob storage operation, including the kind of like uploading, downloading, managing jobs, blobs, developing solution that is relational databases, understand how to work with the Azure databases and Azure database for MySQL and Postgres. And 15 to 20% questions basically implement user authentication and authorization, learn how to secure application with Azure AD, OAuth, and OpenID Connect, implement cloud solution, understand the security features like Azure Key Vault, managed identities, SSL, TLS certificate, then optimize Azure solution and troubleshoot, then develop to support scalability of the apps and kind of services, and implementing auto scaling, caching, content delivery, instrument solution to support monitoring, logging, understand and integrate Azure and log analytics, connect to consume Azure's services and third party services. So these part contain 25 to 30% questions. Then again, from security point of view, it contains 15 to 25% questions, which implement the authentication, authorization, OpenID Connect, and all these things. Uh, yeah. So yeah. So download an app services how basically it contains develop an app services and logic. Learn how to create a workflow and integrate with the different services. Implement API management, and understand expose management using Azure Event Key. Develop event based solution. Implement solution that uses Azure Grid, Azure Event Hub, and Azure Service Bus. For comprehensive material, consider the following resources, so which you're going to share. So these are the Microsoft Learn. These are the most resources like AZ-204 Microsoft Path. The online platform offers interactive modular hands-on learning path designed for AZ-204, and the official Microsoft document Azure document provides a in-depth information of various services and their uses. Refer to the document at each based on the exam and practice tests. There are some practice tests like Viz Lab, Measure Up. These are the, if you search in Google, these are very helpful to crack the exam basically, and I will suggest you to follow these materials. These are really very helpful to crack the exam, and some hands-on experience which you will be going through while working with like I will show you how to create subscriptions, all the practice implementing, how we can like we can continue and start developing solutions, so that we have a hands-on experience is very much required to crack the doors. That's what we will be checking in the further. Okay.